Good morning, children. Today is Monday and today's date is 26th October 2020. Children, can you identify the things I am holding in my hand? What are these things? These are the utensils. So today we are going to learn about the daily utensils, everyday utensils. So can you identify what are the things I am holding in my hand? Yeah, can you tell me what is this? This is a glass and this is a spoon. Yes, children? Yeah. So can you tell me what are the uses of these utensils and where can you find these utensils? Yeah, the glass is used for drinking water, milk and juice, and the spoon is used for lifting food to eat. Yes. So children, now I will show you the other utensils, which are, this is a plate and this is a fork. You please repeat after me. This is a plate and this is a fork. The plate is used to keep food inside the plate and the fork is used to lift the food for eating. So what are things we can lift with fork? The things which we can lift with the fork is noodles, rice, vegetables and fruits. Yes. So children, once again, this is a plate and this is a fork. Yes. Now, this is a spoon and this is used to lift dal and everything and soup. But the fork is not used, cannot be used for the same purpose. Yes. Okay. So now I will show you the different size bowls. So this is a small bowl and this is a big bowl. So children, small bowls are used for placing vegetables, dals, curds, so as to keep each items separate on the plate. Yeah. But the big bowls like this, see, this is a big bowl. The big bowl is used for serving soups. This is a big bowl. This big bowl is used for serving soups. So do you have tomato soup and veg corn soup? Yeah, so that we have to, for that we have to use this bowl. Okay children? Yes. Okay, so now I will show you the other things like rolling board and this is a rolling pin. So can you tell me what do we do with this? We roll chapatis, puris, parathas on the rolling board with rolling pin. Yes. So children, we have to place a dough on the center of the rolling board and we have to roll it with the rolling pin. So we can make puri and parathas. So what do we do with this rolling board and rolling pin? We roll chapatis and puris and parathas. So who rolls chapatis at home and help their mama? Who rolls chapatis? Have you ever helped your mama rolling chapatis and puris? Yes? Very good children. So you must help mama when mama is rolling puris. Okay children? Yes. So now we will repeat all the utensils one more time. So children, tell me, what is this? This is a glass. This is a spoon. Then this is a fork. Then this is a plate. Yes. And these are the different size bowls. Different size bowls. And this is a rolling board and this is a rolling pin. Yes. So tell your mama to show you all the utensils in the kitchen, so you can remember all the utensils. Okay children? Yes. So now tomorrow we will meet with the new video. Till then, bye.